There you go, Mom. Need your toes.
You need my toes. It's too late.
Right.
You already painted my toes. It's 10 o'clock. This is the second round for today. You're doing a pretty good job. Too much, way too much on that. Help me out. Put some on my thumb. There's not any on my thumb.
Huh?
This is the blue job she did earlier.
Okay. Well, oh.
No, put some from my pinky on my thumb.
Okay. Here.
No, just do them.
Show me. I'm put down. Put down. Put down.
I am putting it down.
Put down. Put down.
Where?
No, like this. Okay? No, you play my finger. Don't move.
Don't move. Does it look good?
Yeah. Show me. I'm sorry. Do that.
Why are you sorry?
Because I need to paint your fingernails.
Okay, good job. All done.
Yeah, give me your toes.
No, I can't do my toes. Here, blow on it. It's way too much.
Okay, I've done it. Two.
All done?
Wait. Two. Give me your toes. Give me your toes now. Give me your toes now. Okay. Okay.
Put a towel under him or something.
Okay, give me your toes.
Go get a towel.
Go get tire.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'll get it one.